Yeah, people. Yeah, this is Mad Syentist, the dancer, aka MC Master. Now when I dance, my name Syentist, but when time I DJ or I MC, my name change. So you can call me the fully top boss, same way or the MC Master, right? Yeah, people. From Kingston, Jamaica, you know, to the streets of Canada, you see me? You know the thing go. Thing up and running to just keep the money coming and make them talk like Edda Cummings. Yeah, people, so Syentist is a dancer we start out from in the street. You see me? From Joseland community to the streets. You know, half a tree was my place, East Park Road. I used to dance there so on the corner. Then I take it to Skateland. And from Skateland I take it to the world after that car. You know, dancing I want me love, you know, music I want me love, so I have to step it from one level to the next level. So after we take it to the streets, I will shell down the whole of Teen Jam and the whole of them events that we used to keep. Like Teen Jam and all of them little something them. All of the school fete them. Whole the childhood fete. You see me? Merle Grove fete and the whole of them thing there. So after we take it to Dessa, me just say alright then you know say the thing have to go from level to level. And there was a time when we had done just in the street. Never stretch out and never collect no money from nobody. Or take off my hat and I tell nobody to go. We just do what thing normal. You see me? Then the thing, then me say, here we go on. Take it to the dance hall now. You see me? So we take it to the dance hall and start shell down dance hall now. You know, a Mad Syentist. And the color squad. From color squad to G unit. You see me? Yes, so from color squad to G unit. And then still continue the game and now, you know, me I do it internationally as a dancer slash DJ slash MC. You see, because people can book me for MC, for selector, you can book me for dancing, you can book me for anything I'm doing my craft, you understand? So, worldwide, I do the thing from internationally now, so you know I'm an international star. You see me I say? And you know, say one of the time I work on Fewich Ice as one of the grip them. Yeah, set up the mic them and anything like on the artist when I time to do them interview and them thing. So big up Fewich Ice. You see me? I remember I used to work on Hot 102, so big up Flex, you know the something about get the experience, I know about radio, I know about TV and them something there, so give thanks to the experience and a lot of things I'm learning at dance hall. Father Bogle, big up Father Bogle, cause when we take it from the streets, you know, and start go dance, you know. Bogle love the thing. So we start carry on from Bogle tradition. You see me? So when you know hear about Roses Crew, you hear about the Color Squad. Because Color Squad is a branch from the Roses Crew, you know. We are the street youth them. Roses are roses, but we branch from them because Roses them teach we the game. You see me? Bogle go foreign and come back and show we. He might watch up on him laptop when him there foreign and I say, yo, we are going good at yard. So when Bogle come at yard, we and him apart. Shell down everywhere. Mount a place me and Bogle go shell down. When Bogle come on Heineken Heat Wave, you know, in 2003. When we dance with Elephant Man them time, because I remember me was Elephant Man dance at once too. Me, Sadiki, and the rest of the crew, you see me? So, yeah, when Bogle company stage first, you know, me and Bogle first start dance, because me and Bogle did it on stage. First, when him just enter, when him come out now and Ellie them see him and the excitement start. You see me? So, Bogle, oh my God. Big up Ice and the whole of them, you see me? So you know the thing going on, people. We just are going to some insight in a scientist's life right now. Yeah, and guess what going on? Right now, you know me I do the hosting thing, because you know through me learn the music so much. Right now, I'm there in a store. But watch you know? Remember, you see the another thing I go on now, it named the Skytoppings chart. Skytoppings dancehall chart, Skytoppings reggae chart, Skytoppings hip hop chart, and the Skytoppings world chart. So overall is a chart, but each one of them have them genre. So you have dancehall, hip hop, R&B, and reggae. So look out for all of the chart them. But right now the review them out for the dancehall and the review out for the R&B. So I want to go check it out on YouTube and go follow Skii Promote on Instagram and follow Promote Tappings on Instagram and Facebook. Follow them two pages there. So them right now I run the promotion world from all over, from America, Canada to Jamaica, all over, you see it? So big up everybody out there in the world, and you know the thing go. Scientists create dance like by the day, by the minute. I remember me get inspired from anything for build dance. I'm a little daughter can just bounce or do something and build a dance off it. So Scientist is very creative. Yeah, so people out there need to know and understand Scientists more. I want to know a little bit more about Scientists. You see me? Scientists doing it from internationally now. You see it? From the streets of Jamaica to the streets of Canada. Yes, so you know we top things and we not drop things. Them have to have things. If you see me on a flight in the seat, me there watch wings. Yeah, people, so big up the smoking brand. The keychain you me wear, them response to the whistle them and smoke and the grinder them, and you soon see the merch them come out and them something there. You see me? So big up everybody out here on Instagram world and Facebook world and social media world, right?